Usually, it's just me chasing the next great fly-in destination. But this time, I took off not alone. I went rolling deep with a bunch of young pilots, content creators, and fellow adventurers. We flew ourselves into Kentucky.
Super cool!
This is how pilots disappear for the weekend. From iconic bourbon distilleries and mouth-watering local eats,
we're getting out of here,
to unexpected stops and unforgettable experiences. This journey is bigger, louder, and a whole lot more fun. So buckle up, because this gorgeous Kentucky farm is about to be explored like never before.
3, 2, 1, go. He's off to a good start. The turtles are not moving. All right, we just landed. Where we at, Henry?
We're at the fly-in, guys. Won't believe it. In Kentucky, flying airs are going to be the next thing. If you're a pilot, you better go on and land at these airstrips.
We're about to show you our amazing weekend. We got Kylie, we got Hannah, we got Melissa here today. And Rebecca is somewhere. We're going to go find her.
Let's go.
You want to say hi, Kylie?
Ever wondered what it's like to truly disappear into a weekend only pilots can access? Welcome to Fly-In, where the runway ends and the adventure begins. Land, and your hosts already have a car waiting for you. From the sky to the cabin, everything flows like clockwork, just as promised.
Isn't that gorgeous?
After a few hours flying in, we're looking for something a little more grounded. And here it is. The crew is knee-deep in what they claim are dinosaur bones.
Okay, what are you guys doing? You're catching
We're out
fish?
here catching dinosaur bones and sorts matter of crawfish.
Serious? Oh my gosh. And we're over here just watching.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get the s'mores out. I shall get the s'mores ready for everyone. After a long day of traveling, many hours of flying yourself here, it's just so nice to relax and unwind. When the sun dips low, the nights belong to the fire. Lightning bugs dance, embers glow, and marshmallows meet their glorious fate. Some prefer slow and steady roasting. Others launch them sky high into caramelized chaos.
So you're gonna do 2 of them?
No, there's one. So take it.
Henry's showing us his methods for cooking the perfect
Get
s'more
that
here.
perfect s'more. Get on fire.
Nice. One more time?
I'm okay.
Tonight isn't about perfection. It's about laughter echoing across the clearing. Stories that start and stop mid-sentence, and capturing the little sparks of life that only show up when you're living in the moment. Good morning from the garden. After a full day of flying myself in, making memories, and admittedly a few too many s'mores last night, I'm finally awake and ready to do what I came here to do. Give you the full property tour.
Oh, wow.
Let's hand things over to our host, who's about to show us how this incredible space blends life and flight like nothing else.
This was a 2-story log home. These are all hand-hewed. You can see the broad axe marks in the beams. Ready to go upstairs?
Ready?
Let's follow you. Oh, look at all these people. Who are the people in the photograph?
Those are from family reunions dating back 40 years ago. So if they went live, this you can see is the extension or the second floor of the original log home. And going to the east there, we call that the honeymoon room. And you can see out that window there, you have a nice view of the runway.
Oh, look at that. You can see the runway from over here, guys.
It's a front row seat to the heartbeat of the farm. Imagine waking up to the powerful hum of airplanes buzzing the field while you're still tucked into bed. What a sight.
I think I claimed that swing to sleep on tonight.
Now I'll show you the 3 bears room.
Oh, 3 bears room. The 3 bears. Okay.
As you can see, it's self-explanatory, but it was always fun with the kids too. We called this the 3 bears room. It's cozy. We got a old school desk, and the children love to come over and pull all the toys and things out and play play dress up.
We have a nice bathroom in here.
Oh, let's see.
Ethan loves it.
Let's follow you. So there's got to be a kitchen right in the house, right? Hey.
With an old fireplace.
What is a very country kitchen? And vice versa.
It's nothing cozier in the winter to be sitting here and in the kitchen with the fire going. It's a honey birdie fire.
Modern conveniences. That's good to know. There's also another bathroom. Oh, sweet. Let's see. Nice washroom. Oh, perfect. Just one more. And there's the outdoor shower. And you can see the runway coming. Wait, this is the outdoor shower.
It is.
So nice.
Ever dreamed of showering while watching airplanes? Who even thinks of that? Pilots do. This outdoor setup is the ultimate front row seat to the grass strip, where you can catch airplanes landing while you lather up.
Wait, I think we all need to turn in that shower out there. I know. Whoa, root cellar. Oh, we need a flashlight.
I got one.
Okay.
So this is where they would store the vegetables and look up there. You have a convenience by the runway of having a bathroom facility.
Bathroom facility.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Outhouse. Store Prohibition era.
This is where public bathrooms got the idea from, to have 5 stalls.
Let's go check out the runway now. This is for the grass strip.
This is my field of dreams.
This grass strip is truly Field of Dreams. From the historic outdoor areas that honor the property's legacy to rooms that blend comfort with aviation culture, this is the kind of place that makes you forget you're filming a video. And if you think that's all, stay with us.
From Florida to Kentucky, land out at place, stay there, and then go experience the stuff around it, like a distillery in Kentucky.
Imagine flying from Florida to Kentucky, where your host already has a car waiting for you to explore local distilleries and stunning farmlands. It's the ultimate VIP experience.
Wait a minute, it looks like a really nice hot tub.
Yeah, I know, right? It did look hot. That's a heck of a lot of bourbon. Oh, look at the Cupid.
Where are we going right now? Mammoth Cave, baby. Mammoth Cave, let's go!
Going to the cave. The Mammoth Cave.
We're out here in the jungle.
This is a lot of concrete they use here.
Between nature hikes and formation flying, it's the ultimate VIP, very important pilot experience.
That was so great, thank you.
When you get a bunch of pilots and creators together, the energy is always high, but the grill heat is higher.
What you got going on?
Cooking onions and chicken over there.
I'm hanging out with this talented crew as we turn the kitchen into a full-blown production.
What do I do to help?
It's a brand new grill, so
Oh, was it?
you have to make sure you get it seasoned properly.
Our resident chef is a total one-man show, channeling his Italian roots to show us how the pros do it.
And the trick to cooking is really just the seasoning. Make sure it's seasoned well, and you throw it on the pan at the right temperature.
Okay.
So, right here, if it starts sizzling, you hear it sizzling? That's the right temperature. And then you'll just wait till, and then now these chickens have baked in here.
So who taught you how to cook?
Myself, pretty much. I saw my grandpa cook, and he was a culinary chef, or whatever you may call it, from Italy, and he made me love cooking. And yeah, see, like the chicken had a nice golden. I like some of it more.
Between the sizzle of the sear and the clean-as-you-go hustle, we're keeping it light, fun, and flavorful. Whether it's burgers for the guys or that perfect golden crust on the chicken, we're making memories and a whole lot of delicious food.
Look at that bacon. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much.
Planes parked, laughter echoing, and stories made. This is a weekend only pilots get to live. And just like that, a long weekend of flying yourself in, exploring Kentucky, visiting bourbon distilleries, racing through creeks, debating crawfish versus dinosaur bones, roasting marshmallows, and catching front row views of the runway comes to an end until the next flight.
Thank you for bringing us to the fly-in. It was the best experience. We got to land, go stay at a fly-in house, and it was excellent.
So keep your engines warm, your curiosity high, and your sense of adventure ready, because Fly-In always has more surprises waiting.